At Titan, we strive to stay ahead of our customers' needs. When it comes to sheave replacement and custom part reproduction, we know lengthy elevator downtime can be a customer killer, regardless of the quality of the repair or service requirement. So we've made some big investments. We've recently installed the first of several CNC-controlled vertical turret lathes. In doing so, we've eliminated hours of material handling, fixturing, and various setups necessary in traditional manual machining. For our customers, this not only means reduced backlogs translating into faster turnaround times and ship dates, but also savings in price. It also allows us to offer deeper volume discounts for multiple sheave orders than we've ever been able to offer before. But we didn't stop there. We're constantly adding to and upgrading our industry-leading library of sheave casting patterns. We're working with existing and new casting suppliers and foundries to shorten the lead times on our casting procurement, as well as reducing input costs by optimizing pattern designs. For you, our customer, this means we're stocking larger quantities of our most popular castings. Additionally, we're broadening the inventory of unique and obscure castings for the oddball sheave replacement you may not be able to find anywhere else. With each advancement and investment we make here at Titan, we keep one goal keenly in focus: ensuring we're the best industry partner to keep your jobs on time and under budget, all without compromising quality. With new manufacturing equipment, process improvements, and an ever-increasing and broadening inventory of castings to choose from, we're doing just that, delivering replacement sheaves and custom repair components faster and at increasingly competitive pricing. To keep up with our commitment to serve your needs better, please take the time for a short, anonymous survey so we can hear directly from you and continue to be your #1 trusted partner and parts supplier.